Hi guys, hope you all are well. Today we are sharing healthy and easy recipe, that is chickpea or chana salad. So let's see how to make it. Take one chopped tomato, one chopped onion, chopped chili half a teaspoon, salt as per your taste, chaat masala half a teaspoon, one veg of lime, pinch of red chili powder, boiled chana. So first take boiled chana in a bowl, add chopped onion in it, chopped tomato, green chili, salt, chaat masala, squeeze lime on it, red chili powder, mix it all well, and that's it. It's all ready. Chickpeas are high in protein. You do try this healthy recipe. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.